Hello YouTubers, and welcome back to the Dennis Bloodnok Channel. Now, the Nikon D700, a full frame 12 megapixel DSLR that went on sale at some point, depending on where you are in the world, in the latter part of 2007 or the early part of 2008. This camera finished production in 2012. And yet, many photographers, including the likes of Matt Granger and the Angry Photographer, still recommend this camera. In fact, Kai Man Wong, Kai W, in his review, said that this was a great camera for a starter photographer. A great first full frame interchangeable lens camera with a sizable number of f-mount lenses from Nikon and various other manufacturers available for this camera. And so the question is, how good is the Nikon D700 in the year 2022? And in this case, how good is the Nikon D700 if you wish to shoot nature, flowers, gardens, colour? Well, let's get through the introduction and let's find out.
Hi, I'm Lottie.
Hi, I'm Black Beauty.
Hi, I'm Kate.
And welcome to the Dennis Bloodnok Channel.
Hi there, I'm Lottie Rose.
Hey, I'm Jessie.
And I'm Bianca J. And this is the review for the Nikon D700.
Well, YouTubers, as mentioned previously, this is the Nikon D700. Let us get into some image montages, some image sections. Let us see what this camera can produce. I hope that you enjoy. Well, YouTubers, after the first section of images, which I hope that you enjoyed, I certainly enjoyed creating those images, let us get into the second series of images, and again, let us see what the Nikon D700 can produce. See what you think. Well, YouTubers, the Nikon D700. I think that it has proved that it is capable of creating some amazing images. Some amazing nature, garden, colour, flower images. I hope that you enjoyed these montages of images, and I hope that you enjoyed this entire video. Please like and subscribe, and Dennis Bloodnok will return in the next video. Thank you.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.